Acted myself. Gold. Let's go. Charts. Netflix. Kill the misses. I've got music playing as well. Keep up the good, good energy. But let's go full screen, man. Put that up there. What are we saying with these charts then? What's gold been doing? What's gold been doing? Yeah, guys, for the last month or so, I've just been cooling off, regaining some focus, regaining some energy. We had a busy summer, great. And now it's winter time, coming into winter. I want to crack down and just hone in, like proper hone, zone, whatever word you want to use. That's the word. You get my gist. But monthly time frame, 3 month time frame. So if we zoom in right now, last quarter was very bearish. We've taken out the bottom end of the previous quarter's candlestick, the wick. We are now beneath that. We got rejected at this whole level, 1960. That was a very key level. Should I say 65, which is usual for gold. They like to do big things with the number 5 at the end. So 65, 75, etc. That's just one little detail I've noticed with gold. Over the time, especially the last year or so, I would say the last year, I've especially noticed the number 5 at the end. So, yeah, last quarter, extremely bearish. However, we didn't quite take out this candlestick right here. We wicked into it. But as you can see, if I put a line, I should put a ray here for a second. You can see the wick hasn't even quite touched it yet. So that you might find that this candlestick really and truly for the next 2 months could find its way coming down here to take out this bottom end. Let's go to the monthly time frame now. Yeah, there's that big bearish pump. Where exactly did it start? It was 65, 1965. So yeah, just taking in these levels right now. This monthly candlestick that we have topped out at 55. Look, you see that? That's a good indicator. And we also have the bottom end of this candlestick being at 45. So you see already the number 5 is coming up a lot. But monthly time frame, do I need to look at anything else? This area. But weekly. With the higher time frame, it's not really about plotting anything on your charts. It's about getting a brief understanding of where long-term where price is going. So if we know for the last 6 months price has been bearish, we can take that idea to the monthly time frame. We can now see structure, let's say. We can see the fact that there's no new highs being formed. Had a low here, but come back above. And now you can see it's just slowly but surely making its way down. But this level down here is important. So yeah, coming on to the weekly now. This is where we start plotting. Okay. Let me just look at something quick. Hmm. Okay, so the weekly time frame is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. So with these two candlesticks right here, I'm gonna plot the weekly high there from last week's candlestick. Um, we'll do this week's low, which is there. And then 85 is the next good place. I'm going to leave it like that because I don't want it to be too congested. Okay, so bringing it on to the daily now. Wait, let me just check one thing. Weekly highs and lows. I'll plot that up. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. So we've got an overall higher time frame picture, which is bearish. Now I'm just sort of looking for places where price is pulling into. What are we looking at? Daily candlestick. This is today's candle. And we are taking out this big pump here, which happened on the 2nd of October. It is now the 9th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these last 4 days, in 2 days, price has taken it out. We've taken this out. So we took out this wick, weird candlestick there, and then a crazy pump. And as you can see, we're bumping our heads at 55. So we bumped ahead at 55. Money's been taken out. We're playing about now. So really and truly, we could roll down back to this region because that is the last daily high. Yeah, that's yesterday's daily high. So we've made a daily high up here now, which is above the weekly. Yeah, so that high has been made. So what we could do now is come down, retrace from here. This is where it gets sticky because of the higher time frame bias, where we're bearish. I reckon we are gonna find a way to pull up here. So with that being said, I want to see how Monday is a weird day for the markets. It's a weird one. But basically, I want to see how today closes for gold, because if we get a closure above this weekly, we could be heading up here for 1800, 1885. We could be heading up here simply because we had such a large move downwards with no pullback. Like even this move here, we had a pullback of 600 pips. You know, after after a 1,000 pip move. So again, we've had another 1,000 pip move, sort of 1,100 pip move. So now we could, we're probably expecting there's 500, 600. So 700 pips from the bottom to the top. That could be what we're looking at. And nice. You see how, look, made a big pump, retrace couple, another big pump. Could retrace a little bit, close above, pump. That makes sense. So um yeah, I'm gonna have to wait because I'm not sure. Gold is weird. But yeah, I reckon because of the rejections that we've had to the weekly, we formed a new high up here. And we've made several candles so far. I mean, it's still early. It is only London session, I believe. It's like 9:30. But yeah, I can't see the time, so I'm gonna go a bit like 9:30 something. But yeah, so I guess for today, boys and girls, with gold, it's either gonna be messing around and make its way back down to this low and then pull up, or it's gonna mess around, close above, and then be whiplashed up here. Because there's money here, there's liquidity up here, there's people selling, a lot of them. So they kind of need to be stopped out. But that's what I'm gonna go with on gold. Let's just say we should put an arrow back down here for a potential long position. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be watching out for on gold. I hate the way that looks. That looks disgusting. So yeah, that's that with gold. GA. GA looks disgusting already.
When film nights are flop, make your own movie magic. Switch your Galaxy Z Flip 5 to Director's View and capture every angle. Then easily transfer the videos to your Chromebook, ready for you to edit and instant classic. The new Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Chromebook, better together. Available on EE.
GA, can't lie. I am not sure about this one. Maybe I am. Maybe I am. So with GA, we're bearish. Bearish, we're bearish. Let's mark out Last week's high. Lovely, lovely. Mark out. We got prior week and last week. So we got last week and the prior week to that. So 2 weeks ago, that high. And then we'll plot the lows on. Wow, last week's low. So now what we're waiting for with GA, yeah, this is juicy. Now look, we've made it very easy for ourselves. Because whichever way GA breaks out is the way we want to be trading. Okay. We got the high made from last week. And we have the high from this week that's been made. Yes. Yes, we did breach a little bit higher than these, but that's okay. They don't really change anything. So today's high is above there. Let's see what that looks like. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Tap, miss, tap. We want some candlesticks into that. See some candlesticks. Okay, so what it looks like. We had the rejection the first time. We've had it there. Then we have a wick. Then we have another wick and then a spike wick through both of these. And then a pull down and what essentially looks like an order block is being formed. But that's only if this candlestick closes down here, takes all of this out. But if we get a candle, so if today's candle closure, take me in guys, comes beneath this white line, see how it's there at the minute where the orange wick is? That's today's bottom end. But if we can get that down to here and close beneath this, then we're sinking down. That's what I'm going to go with. That's what I'm going to go with. However, oof, that is crazy what I'm seeing right there. We've got money up here, a lot of it, a lot of liquidity. So guys, what I'm thinking, if we don't get the closure beneath here and it doesn't make its way down, because of the structure that I'm seeing right now and the way price is moving, it looks like we're having a liquidity sweep of these areas. We've already swept this area. We're up to here now. We're building liquidity all up here. So I believe for some reason that price is gonna find a way to bottom out and roll up into these areas to take out all of this retail money. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to be looking out for. That's what I'm going to be looking for. If we sink, I reckon we can come. I reckon we come into there. Worst case scenario, worst case scenario, we come down and pull up, take out these little bottom bits. Or we stay above these regions here, these this white and orange. You stay above here. You stay above this line, and then we round up. We round up. So G8, I'm leaving. Indecisive. Two things could happen right now. So we're gonna watch it. Yeah, let's look at Euro USD quick. This is gonna be the last pair. This one is gonna be a short video. Just a little teaser, you know what I'm saying? 3 pairs. Can't complain. Can't complain. So look, first things first. I see 2 monthly highs. I see a new low. I see a retracement into this area. And then I see 2 heavy bearish monthly candles taking out previous structure. Okay, let's go down to the weekly. As you can see on the weekly, we've taken out all of these structure. Yeah, new highs, taken all of that out. All of this is liquidity, by the way. We've taken all of that out. Boom. High low, high high, high low, high high. So we've come out to take this money here. And now it doesn't really look clean, but little candles. We've broken this low, and now we're. All right, so this monthly level seems to be important at the minute. Good job we're on the weekly though. So that's a weekly level. So we're gonna keep that on. We're gonna keep that on. Oh, fucking hell. We're gonna keep it on. Ooh. But this is interesting right now. We're at a good level right here. We're at a good level. This is bothering me though. Do I plot it? Do I plot it from this wick? We've had a near. I'll put it there. So it's not last week's low. It's the week before that. 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago. And then we have. We did last week's high as well. Keep it as that for now. We've made a high up here. Stop it, man. Shut up. Shut up. Ruining my video. You dumb dog. Allow it. What, you want to go to the toilet or something? Move. Move. Sorry, lads. Don't get a dog. Driving. But anyways, as I was saying, this week's high is in line with the closure of the body from 2 weeks ago's candle. So we'll take that, we'll take that, we'll take that. So now we're looking at the daily candles, yeah? Daily candle is right there. And that has wicked into the top of this doji. And what happened at the top of this doji? We came below, bow, and ta-da, we sunk. But lads, we're gonna map out today's low Oh shit, that is the wrong. But that's today's low. We got today's high up there. Should we put it on this? Get that up there, boy. Um, so boom. Today's high, the weekly high, today's low. What we got up there? We'll leave it, we'll leave it. We're on to the 4 hour now. So what can I see? We got lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Oh, lower low. That broke. That broke above there. Pulled down, swept this liquidity. Little pull up, double bottom, boom, breaker structure, retest, high, wipe out that liquidity there, high. No, this is a pullback. But look, this candlestick here, this is a huge flipping horrible order block type of thing. 50%. Where is that? We've wicked into the 50% now. And we're back above it. Which means we could be in for a little reversal. Nice, I guess, yeah. Yeah, it's making sense. So Euro USD is going up right now. We're going to take out this money. Intraday, we're coming up because we've been falling for so long. But on the higher time frames, we are bearish. Big candlestick right here. But we need to come up. So weekly, Monday right now, it's a new week, but we've had wick rejection into these lows. Daily time frames not really telling me much, I'll be honest. Not telling me much. But this high up here didn't get broken, which is kind of making me think we've got a new low there, no new high. This could be like a mini counter trend line. And now we're just going to be making ways into the lower regions, maybe 0.400. Yeah, we've got liquidity down there. Look. So yeah, if we come lower, I reckon we'll be heading into 1.0400. Well, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. Nice little welcome back sesh after a month away, 2 months away, whatever it was. But yeah, boys and girls, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Do all of that, bruv. Comment even if you have to. You can't control your flipping your thoughts and you have to do it. Peace out.